Hello, everyone. Welcome to this new lesson in the CSS Animations course. In this lesson, we're going to create this nice menu hover effect. So you can see when I hover over the menu, these two underlines appear nicely and give us this effect. So the blue underline appears from the left and moves to the right, while the pink one appears from the right and moves to the left. This is an easy but nice effect. So let's create it together. I will start here in my HTML by adding a UL. Then inside it, I will add an LI. Then anchor tag inside of that. And I will copy this LI and paste it 4 times. Then I will say Home, About, Services, Portfolio, Contact. Okay, now I will go to my CSS to style this menu. I will target the UL and add padding 0. Then display, flex to make the list items sit beside each other. Then below that, I will target the LI inside the UL. And I will add list style type, none, to remove the bullets that appear beside the list items. Then I will add padding, 10 pixels from top and bottom, and 20 pixels from left and right. Cool! Now, let's target the anchor tags themselves and add text decoration, none, to remove the underlines. Then text transform, uppercase, font size, 20 pixels, color, this dark gray color, and finally position, relative. Awesome! So now you can see our menu is looking exactly the way we want. Now let's work on the underlines that appear and move when we hover over any menu item. We will use the before and after pseudo elements to create those underlines. Let's start by creating the first one using the before pseudo element. I will go right here inside my CSS and I will say UL LI A:(before). And I will add content, empty string, width. Let's say 15 pixels for now. And height, 5 pixels. Then background color, this nice blue color, position, absolute, top, 120%, left, 0. So now you can see we have our blue line with a width of 15 pixels and a height of 5 pixels. And it's sitting below our links because we set its top property to 120%. Okay, now let's add the other pink line. I will just copy the before pseudo element, paste it again, and change before to after. And I will change the background color to this pink color. And instead of left, I will change it to right. And just like that, we now have the pink one on the right side of our links. Cool. Now, let's work on the hover effect. When hovering over any of these links, we want the blue underline to grow until it becomes 50% of the link width and move to the right at the same time. And we also want the pink one to grow to 50% of the link width and move to the left. So let's do that. First of all, I will go up here inside the before pseudo element and change the width to 0 instead of 15 pixels, so that it will disappear. Then I will do the same for the pink line. Then I will go down here and say UL, LI, A colon hover, colon before, and I will add width, 50%, and transform, translate X, 100%. And in order for this effect to happen smoothly, I will go up here inside the before pseudo element, and I will add transition, all, 0.5 seconds. So now, when I go and hover over any link, you can see the blue line moves from left to right, and its width becomes 50% of the link width at the same time. Cool! Now, let's do the same for the pink line. I will copy this block of code, paste it again, change before to after to target the pink line, and just change the translate X function to -100% instead of 100%, because we want it to move to the left, not to the right. And finally, I will go up here inside the after pseudo element and add transition, all, 0.5 seconds. And now, when I go and hover over any link, you can see the blue line moves to the left and the pink one moves to the right, giving us this cool effect.